Have you ever opened 1688 and felt like you were sitting in a Chinese classroom? Like the app is basically saying, "Good luck, bro. Figure it out yourself." Today, I'm going to fix that. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to translate anything on 1688. The app, the website, product details, seller messages, everything using simple tricks any beginner can learn. By the end of this video, you'll use 1688 like a pro, even if you don't know a single Chinese word. Let's go. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Emmanuel Lascus, your guide for making money online in Africa. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to get notified of my next video. This channel will save you from mistakes and help you start making money importing from China confidently. Alright, let's learn how to overcome the Chinese language barrier. Before we start with everything, let's answer this question first. Why you must know how to translate 1688. Before we start, here's the truth. 1688 is built for Chinese local buyers, not Africans. Meaning, everything is written in Mandarin or Chinese. Most sellers don't speak English. You'll get lost if you don't translate properly. But the good news is, you don't need to speak Chinese with the right tools. You can translate the whole app in seconds. I've broken down the various ways to translate into two methods, starting with Method 1. Translating 1688 using Chrome browser, the website version. This is the easiest method for beginners. Using the 1688 website and translating from there, step by step. 1. Open Google Chrome or Safari. 2. Type 1688.com. 3. When the page loads, Chrome will pop up. Translate to English. 4. Tap Translate. 5. The whole website changes to English instantly. Bonus tip. If the translation option doesn't show up, tap the 3 dots gives Translate gives English. This method will translate. Home page. Categories. Search results. Seller information. Specifications. Reviews. Reviews. And many more. Method 2. Translating 1688 app using Google Translator. For this step, you will need to download Google Translator from the App Store or App Store. I have already downloaded it, so let's head there to learn a thing or two. So, upon opening the app, I believe this is how it looks. We have a section here that is used to translate words or text. This usually comes in handy when chatting with suppliers. I will try to demonstrate that as we move on. This section, one have indicated, is where we use the picture translations. Okay, so let's practice. Let's open the 1688 app and try to translate. So, upon opening, let's say you want to translate the homepage. You will have to screenshot. Go to the Google Translator. Click here to select the screenshot from your photos. After that, select the language to translate to and from. With that, the image gets translated. This is how you will be doing it for every place or page you want to translate on the 1688 app. You screenshot, go to Google Translator, select the image, and you translate. Very simple. The last thing I want to talk about as a bonus tip in this video is essential Chinese words you must know. Here are a quick list of things you need to always translate that will save your life. When we are talking about color, size, material, reviews, style, stock, shipping out, courier, discount, product details, and some essential keywords, make sure to translate them and read it very well. Remember, knowing these will get you ahead of 70% of beginners. I believe now you know exactly how to translate 1688 like a pro, no confusion, no stress. If you want the next tutorial, comment below. Lascus, teach me more. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and share this with anyone trying to start mini importation. You're watching Emmanuel Lascus, and we're turning online hustle into real money. Join my hustle team on Telegram at Financial Masterclass. See you in my next video. Peace out.